Introducing the 5th generation of Markem Imaje continuous inkjet printers. In today's changing world, printing codes accurately and efficiently is just the beginning. Technology must evolve to meet customers' changing demands, while still providing reliable efficiency and optimized total cost of ownership, and ever more importantly, sustainability. Recognized for being one of the most reliable inkjet printer suppliers, Markem Imaje breaks through with its next-generation model, the 9750. Its IntelliDesign, which incorporates latest R&D enhancements, offers you reliable traceability coding on all packaging types. Cost control, sustainability, and convenience of its digitalized attributes will offer you the level of confidence you need to focus on your core business and nothing else. The true value of innovation starts with a technological leap. Designed along your values, the 9750 and the entire ink portfolio have been meticulously engineered and qualified by not just any qualification method, but by the most modern processes on the market today. The true value of innovation is also brought to you through an enhanced ink circuit and innovative features that guarantee the sustainability, reliability, quality, and position of the code on all your packaging, every time. Its modular conception streamlines mechanicals down to swappable modules, easy and quick to change or maintain. Front access individual unit changing limits unnecessary expenses and waste, thus also contributing to your sustainability goals. The true value of innovation is also how you can maximize uptime, optimize your TCO, and contribute to a more environmentally friendly world with the next generation of inks. The new MEK-free solutions raise the standard of inkjet printing. 9750 also benefits from a consumable saving mode that additionally reduces consumption and waste. Industry 4.0 ready, the 9750 supports several industrial interfaces and is smart in assisting you when needed. The true value of innovation is also helping you anticipate and adjust before you even know it. Connected device services help maximize uptime and achieve OEE objectives. The full-featured Colo software minimizes waste, drives efficiency, achieves compliance, and also enables you to seamlessly integrate the 9750 into your most complex and secured manufacturing system. Because it's all about making the right decisions at the right time. The innovation you need, the experience you trust. 9750, the true value of innovation.